Look how dirty Scoop is. Let's give him a wash. Let's get Scoop soaped up so there's lots of foam. Perfect! Now, let's wash everything off Scoop. Hooray! You did it! Now let's help them get dry. Turn on the special machine. Scoop's all clean now. He looks The bridge is covered in rocks. The road needs clearing. Which of these vehicles can help us? That's right, it's a bulldozer. There are some really big rocks on the road. Let's help clear them up. Keep tapping on the rocks to break them down into smaller chunks. Perfect! 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 Well done. We've cleared the bridge. To build a bridge near the rocket. There are so many parts here. Let's put them together. Main engine. Rocket body. Engine. Nose cone. Rocket body. Main engine. Rocket body. Rocket body. Engine. Main engine. Nose cone. Engine. 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 Window. Good job!